Are you looking for the best baseboard heaters? In this video we will look at some of the best baseboard heaters. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Comfort Zone Baseboard Heater. Comfort Zone offers all kinds of home appliances and other related products that are all quite practical and handy since they offer all kinds of useful features and options. The Comfort Zone CZ600 baseboard heater is present in the first position in this list as this is one of the most powerful options out there if you want something compact. To be exact, this baseboard heater is able to offer a very respectable power output of up to 1,500 watts. And the best part is that it is able to offer the same while having a width of just 28 inches. Apart from being perfect for tight spaces, this baseboard heater is also quite practical since it runs on 120-volt current. And considering the given price tag, the included 2-year-long warranty makes this baseboard heater a great all-rounder package. Rated for a maximum power output of up to 1,500 watts. Offers a baseboard heater width of 28 inches. Uses 120-volt electric current for its power requirements. Comes included with a 2-year-long warranty period. Not the best for hot air circulation due to the given width rating. Number 2. Cadet Manufacturing F-Series 48 Baseboard Heater. Cadet F is one of the cheaper brands of heating products available out there, despite which it is one of the best picks if you want something reliable and powerful for your home. This Cadet F-Series 4F1000W baseboard heater is present in the third position in this article because it is hands down the best option for long-term usage given here. Not only that, but you also get decent performance out of it since it is rated for a maximum power output of up to 1,000 watts. Another great thing about this baseboard heater is that it offers a pretty good width of 48 inches. But the best part about this baseboard heater is that it is backed by a lifetime warranty which makes it excellent for long-term usage. However, even at the given power output rating, this baseboard heater does require you to use 240-volt current with this unit, which can be an issue for many. Rated for a maximum power output of up to 1,000 watts. Offers a baseboard heater width of 48 inches. Uses 240-volt electric current for its power requirements. Comes included with a lifetime warranty period. Poor compatibility due to its requirement for 240-volt current. Number 3. Cadet Manufacturing F-Series 36 Baseboard Heater. Cadet F also offers slightly smaller offerings to its customers that you can pick if you don't mind the slight dip in performance by going with something which is much more compact. The Cadet F-Series 3F750 baseboard heater is much smaller and compact when compared with the previous Cadet F baseboard heater given above. Unlike the previous one, this one comes in at a width of just 36 inches, which makes it fairly practical. That being said, since it is a fairly affordable option along with a compact design, its power output is quite mediocre, which is given as up to 750 watts. Despite that, you do get other benefits with this baseboard heater like its support for 120 volts. And most importantly, Cadet F includes a lifetime warranty with this baseboard heater, which makes it one of the best picks for long-term usage as well. Rated for a maximum power output of up to 750 watts. Offers a baseboard heater width of 36 inches. Uses 120-volt electric current for its power requirements. Comes included with a lifetime warranty period. Quite a poor power rating in comparison to other baseboard heaters. Number 4. Fahrenheat Electric Baseboard Heater. You can also consider Fahrenheat and its offerings if you want something powerful but don't have any issues in going with a more standard-sized baseboard heater for your home. Fahrenheat's PLF 504 baseboard heater is a high-performance option for all those who want something powerful. This is such a great pick since you get an amazing power output of up to 500 watts with it. More importantly, it even offers a width of 28 inches, which results in great air circulation. Despite being one of the bigger and powerful options out there, it still works well with 240-volt current without any issues, which makes it highly practical. Also, because Fahrenheat is a fairly premium brand of heating appliances. Rated for a maximum power output of up to 500 watts. Offers a baseboard heater width of 28 inches. Uses 240-volt electric current for its power requirements. A bit on the expensive side when compared with other baseboard heaters. Number 5. Dimplex Electric Baseboard Heater. Dimplex is a mid-tier brand of heating products that you can keep in mind if you're looking for high-performance heaters for your home that can be used even during the peak winter season. This Dimplex LC5020W31 baseboard heater happens to be the most powerful option present in this article, which makes it excellent for heavy-duty usage. When compared to most other offerings, this baseboard heater offers a much higher power output of up to 2000 watts. Not only that, but it even offers a best-in-class width of 50 inches. Since this is a fairly premium and high-end heater option, it also comes included with a 1-year-long warranty as standard. However, in order to run such a powerful baseboard heater, it does need 240 electric current, which is something that you need to keep in mind. Rated for a maximum power output of up to 2000 watts. Offers a baseboard heater width of 50 inches. Uses 240-volt electric current for its power requirements. Comes included with a 1-year-long warranty period. Could have been more practical by being compatible with 120-volt current.